Welcome to my lessons. Today I'm gonna speak about energy work. How to lead some energy in the direction you want to go, how to heal yourself, and I will speak about Reiki, a really simple way to understand how energy work is working. Many people are now using Reiki. It's really popular, and yeah, you can go to like a Reiki therapist, then he will heal your chakras. And also healing Reiki online, distance. Usually I think the traditional is somebody standing next to you and heal you, but these days also online there are new possibilities. There are many different ways of energies, from the sun or from water, for example, or air, the elements. In witchcraft, it's really important to use energies and to collect the energy and to send it in the direction we want to have. We know about doing spells or rituals, but these spells and rituals don't work if we don't have the intention, if we don't collect the energy and send it in the direction we want to have. Witchcraft usually or often is working with element energies. But depending on the witch, of course, you can use many different energies. Sometimes we also use from our ancestor the energy, or we can also use God energies. Some people are using like Greek gods or North gods or Egypt gods. You can use many different, whatever you feel connected to. And of course, you could also use gods from Shintoism. When we had this Japanese community, then we often also try to use the energy from the area we are and the gods from the areas, because this energy is already in the area, so it's more strong if you use what you are surrounded. And of course, for example, also stones and herbs, you can use the energy. And then about Reiki, the tradition, how it's taught in Western world. I think Reiki is a word Japanese know, but Western not so much, and maybe they got a little bit a special way to do it. They are imagine the cosmic energy or the sun energy, a beam, like a light energy from the universe flowing into your body, or you're collecting it next to your body and sending it with your hand onto the area you want to heal. If you heal a person, for example. You can, of course, do it also on your own body, wherever it feels a little bit tight or uncomfortable or painful. You can collect this energy and then send it into that area. You can also do it with animals. It's really nice if you have animals and they have a problem, you can support them. Of course, maybe you have to go to the doctor to get the medicine and everything, but then you also can support with your energy or with the energy you collect. And important, if you heal others, I mean, if it's your animal, maybe it's fine, or your partner or your family member. But if you heal others, you don't want to collect the energy through your body directly. If you heal yourself, it's amazing to collect it right through your body. But if you heal somebody else, you should imagine the energy outside of your body and just in the way of your hand. Not through your hands, just like in a way of your hand, you're like I do it now, like you're just sending the energy in that direction. Because when you go through your body, you always will give a little bit energy of yourself. And you don't want to do it for somebody you're not having a near connection. The safest way is just to do it for you, and for anything else, you just do it outside of your body. And then something I really love to do is also charging food or drink. Maybe you already heard, so some witches are drawing in coffee or tea some symbols to charge it. But you can also do it with Reiki, with the energy of your surrounding, collecting it, and then sending into your food. Put your hands over it and send it in your food. And then when you eat it, you take the energy into you. I often do it with maybe unhealthy food to make it a little bit better. For example, sometimes I don't drink it often, but sometimes I like to drink energy drink. And I know it's like a lot of sugar and things which are not so good for my body. So I love to charge it with the energy, Reiki energy, to make it a little bit better for my body. As I said before, also the energies you can collect from many different places, the elements, or also trees. For example, when you walk by some trees, they send off a lot of energy. Maybe when you watch into nature and when you watch a tree, you can feel how trees are able to just instantly relax us because they have a really strong energy. And also this energy you can use, and just during walking, when you feel a little bit tired or something, you can also take it in. And of course, the sun. The sun energy is a lot. Yeah. But if we don't have sun, maybe we have tree, maybe we have a river, the energy of the river, or also the energy of the wind. It's powerful. And if we need that power, we can also collect that, focus on this energy, and then imagine how it goes into your body. There is no time or room limitation for this energy. You can send the energy as far as you want, and you can also send it into the future or into your past, or in somebody's future or past. I really love to work with it by sending my past. Maybe in my past, not everything was perfect. And I had to go through some difficult times. And now I might be still influenced by this experience. And sometimes maybe feeling are coming up because of this past event. And if we realize it's connected to our past, we can also send this energy to our past self. And when we heal our past self, we will heal our now self as well. And for the future, we can send the energy to the future to get what we desire in the future. Because if you are in this energy already, it will come true in the future. So focus the energy of the wish of the dreams you have and send it in that direction. Let's try to imagine the Reiki energy coming through our chakra, crown chakra. It's opening and then going through our body into our hands and into the part of your body who feels maybe not so relaxed. And then let the energy flow. During this practice, you can make it stronger and stronger. Also, mental problems can manifest in some areas, or for example, we need it in the heart. So sometimes it takes a lot of heart energy to handle stressful situation. And then of course you can also put it on your heart. Or if it's just energy because you're tired, then also in your back, if you also give the energy in there, you will get the energy for your whole body. It's really a powerful spot there. Or you send it to a special chakra. For example, if you have to speak a lot, it's in this area. Or if you want to have better connection, you can also this area, of course, and head. I think it's also often challenged anyway. Or if you have a job on the desk, shoulders, always good to send some energy. Yeah. Reiki is really simple, how you can collect the energy and send it in a special position or special area or to somebody else. And then you can, of course, also use this technique to send your intention, like the intention, the energy of your intention. It's also energy. You send it into a spell, for example. You don't need to use your hands, but you can. Or you can also use a wand. That's why some witches are using wands. They can collect it through this stick of stone or wood or a combination, and then send it direct into the spell. Or in a ritual, you can collect all the energies of all the elements, for example, and create. Imagine how you create what you want to create out of this energy. Yeah, that's how you can use the energies of your surrounding for witchcraft, for magic, yeah. Or for healing, which is also a form of magic, of course. Over time, if you use it a lot, you can see the energies will feel a little bit different. Like the tree energy is totally different to the Reiki energy, for example. It's more down to earth. And it's also a little bit like the tree also need you, kind of the symbiotic energy. I really love that. And if you need also more stability, maybe stones are also a good way to connect. They are so calm. You cannot be calmer as a stone when you need that energy. When you need more power, maybe go to the sea and get that powerful energy of the sea. And also to make the circle. Many people use a wand to make the circle for a ritual. You can also have a long stick and then walk the circle, but you can also have a smaller wand and then draw the circle, collect the energy through the wand, and then draw the circle with that energy. Because yeah, sometimes you cannot draw a circle or anything in nature. Maybe you can make a real circle out of stones or something, but maybe in your flat, yeah, you have not so many possibilities. Mantra, but I also call it spell, because you focus all the energy on your intention with this mantra. It's a spell, but yeah, I think every spell you should make a mantra. There are different ways to charge it, but I think if you focus again and again and again, you can collect the energy more and more and more, and then send it. Yeah. A mantra is just accumulating the energy. Everybody's doing it. We are always mentally focused on something. We do it automatic, but sometimes we focus on the wrong things, on things we don't want, and then they come true because the energy is going there. So if we try to focus on the things we want, because if we, for example, always feel the pain in our body and we think, oh no, it hurts and it's painful, then it will keep hurting and be painful because you don't send the good energy you want to feel. When we can switch it from the negative thinking to the positive one, then we can improve like many areas of our life. It's also marketing. Marketing is using that. You can see they combine some emotions, for example, and then you also see it again and again. And then the energy will pile up, and then your subconscious will remember certain products because you see it everywhere again. That's why marketing is so good. It works. And instead of being manipulated by marketing, we can manipulate us for what we want. We don't even realize. It's all energy, and we are using it every day. As a bit, you learn how to use it for you. So it doesn't use you, you use it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was useful. Give it a like if you enjoyed it, and consider to share it if you think somebody else also would love it. Stay calm and happy.